Hey there, plant lovers! Welcome back to Succulents Box's YouTube channel. Today, we're featuring one of the most elegant and low-maintenance houseplants out there, the Spathiphyllum peace lily. Not only does it thrive in low-light settings, but it's also a champion air purifier. Yep, NASA even lists peace lily as one of the top plants for removing indoor toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and ammonia. Peace lilies are mildly toxic to both people and pets because they contain calcium oxalate crystals. If ingested, they can cause irritation or stomach upset. So, if you've got curious kiddos or pets, keep this plant out of their reach. Let's start with lighting. Peace lilies are wonderfully adaptable when it comes to light. They're perfect for low to medium light conditions, which makes them a top choice for indoor spaces. Place yours near a north-facing window or in a room with filtered sunlight. While they can survive in lower light, moderate to bright indirect light encourages better growth and more frequent blooms. Just avoid direct sunlight. It can scorch those gorgeous leaves. If you don't have much natural light, a grow lamp can work wonders to keep your peace lily happy. Consistency is the name of the watering game. Peace lilies like their soil to stay moist but not soggy. Check the top inch of soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Typically, this means watering every 5 to 7 days, but it depends on your home's temperature and humidity. When you water, make sure to let any excess drain completely. Standing water can cause root rot. If you see drooping leaves, that's usually the plant's way of saying, "I'm thirsty," but be careful not to overcompensate. Balance is key. Peace lilies love a well-draining mix that retains some moisture. A standard houseplant potting mix works great, but you can add perlite or coarse sand for better drainage. During their active growing season in spring and summer, give them a diluted liquid fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks. This supports healthy growth and blooms. However, skip the fertilizer in fall and winter. Your plant doesn't need extra nutrients while it's resting. Peace lilies thrive in warm indoor temperatures, ideally between 65 degrees and 80 degrees. For humidity, aim for about 50% or higher. If your air is dry, especially during winter, try a pebble tray, a humidifier, or even a light misting now and then. Dry air can lead to browning leaf edges, so a little extra moisture goes a long way. Make sure you choose a pot with good drainage. This is crucial for preventing waterlogged soil and root rot. If your peace lily becomes root-bound or outgrows its pot, repot it in early spring. Choose a container just one size larger and use fresh, well-draining soil. When repotting, gently loosen the roots to encourage new growth. Afterward, let your plant adjust to its new home before resuming your usual watering routine. Trim off any yellowing or brown leaves at the base, as well as spent blooms, to encourage fresh growth. Use clean, sharp scissors to avoid spreading disease. Regular pruning not only keeps your peace lily looking tidy, but also helps with air circulation and overall health. Want more peace lilies? Propagation is easy through division. Carefully separate a section and plant it in fresh soil. Keep the new plant in a warm, humid spot with indirect light, and water sparingly until it's established. It's a simple way to expand your collection or share with friends. While peace lilies can survive in low light, they bloom best in moderate, indirect light. Too much darkness will hinder flowering, and overly bright light can keep the bracts green instead of white. Keep the temperature stable, the soil slightly moist, and the humidity around 50%, and you'll see those beautiful blooms in no time. Be patient. Sometimes it just takes a little more time and care. Pests like spider mites, mealybugs, and aphids can occasionally appear. Keep an eye out for sticky residue, webbing, or white cottony spots, and treat the plant with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Regular inspections will help you catch any issues early. And what if your peace lily isn't blooming? It might need brighter light or a little extra fertilizer during the growing season. But don't stress. Its lush green foliage is just as beautiful and adds so much life to any space. And that's it. Everything you need to know about how to care for your peace lily. From its lush leaves and elegant blooms to its amazing air-purifying abilities, this plant is a darling. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more plant care guides. Got questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.